Hello, are you using Montelukast tablets? Then you have to know this important information, which is a drug safety update released from Health Authority of United States (FDA) and also from UK's Health Authority (MHRA) and from European Medicines Agency. So this important safety information is essential to make sure you are getting the maximum benefit of using these medicines with no or minimal risk. So let's dive into the important information that enables you for effective and safe usage of Montelukast tablets.
Now let's look into the benefits of using Montelukast tablets. So this medicine is approved for treatment of symptoms of allergic rhinitis and asthma. So this is approved in adults and also in children of more than 2 years of age. So the symptoms of allergic rhinitis include sneezing, runny nose, blocked nose, itchy watery eyes, itchy throat. So along with this, Montelukast tablets are also used for the treatment of asthmatic symptoms such as difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath, chest tightness, or wheezing, coughing. So, for these asthmatic symptoms, Montelukast gives benefit in the population of adults or children having of age more than 1 year. So, it is also used in preventing breathing difficulties, especially in adults who are doing vigorous exercises. So, they use these tablets before performing any exercises to prevent any breathing difficulties. So these are the approved usages for the Montelukast tablets. So like every medicine, Montelukast also contains risk along with the benefits of using this medicine. So the common side effects of using the Montelukast includes upper respiratory tract infection, fever, headache, sore throat, cough, stomach pain, diarrhea, earache or infection, flu, runny nose, and sinus infection. So these are the common side effects which are easily treatable or non-serious, we can say. But you have to aware of this information that these side effects do occur when you are using Montelukast. But don't be panic. These are easily reversible when you take appropriate action like interrupting the doses of Montelukast and treating this the respective symptom. However, along with the common side effects of Montelukast, there are some serious side effects which you have to be aware of. There are two serious side effects of using Montelukast tablets. Now let's look into the first serious side effect, which is a behavior and mood related changes. The main objective of preparing this video is as per the latest safety update from USFDA, EMA and MHRA, that means from UK and USA health authorities. They have updated the labels of the Montelukast product to include this information about the serious side effect of causing the behavior and mood related changes. So the symptoms of this side effect includes agitation like behavior, aggressive behavior or hostility, irritability, showing restlessness, bad vivid dreams, sleepwalking or trouble sleeping, feeling anxious, tremor, hallucinations, depressive suicidal thoughts and also actions which include suicide. So these are the reported symptoms for these changes in the behavior which are actually attributed to the Montelukast usage. So please be aware of these signs and symptoms of this particular condition so that you can take the early action to prevent any serious further damage. So along with this serious side effect, there is another serious side effect for Montelukast, which is systemic vasculitis. This is nothing but if you observe any signs of having the feeling of pins and needles and numbness in the arms or legs, any flu-like illness or rashes on the skin, or any severe inflammation like pain and swelling of the sinuses, then you have to take action like stopping the medicine, speak to your doctor or pharmacist, and take any treating medicines for the systemic vasculitis, and then you can prevent the serious damage or the consequences of not being aware of these serious side effect. Okay, so these are the two serious side effects which are reported for Montelukast, and you have to aware of all these common side effects and also the serious side effects, signs and symptoms, so you can take an appropriate action as early as possible. So what it matters, so when coming to the usage of Montelukast tablets, how do you take the decision whether it is correct for you or not? How do you use it in a safe and effective manner? Okay, so let's look into the key points. Like, always consider weighing the benefit of using the medicine against the risk. Okay, so this is the common point which we need to consider for every medicine. Please weigh the benefits of using it against the risk, whether the risk which carried which are carried by the medicine will justify the benefit of using the particular medicine. For example, in this case, for the Montelukast tablets, avoid taking this Montelukast for common unapproved usages like common cold symptoms like runny nose, nose blockage, etc. This is commonly observed. Like, there are numerous off-label or unapproved usages of Montelukast because Montelukast is approved for only the allergic rhinitis symptoms and asthmatic symptoms we have just seen in earlier slides. This was not approved for the common cold symptoms. However, this is being reported and being used for these common uses. Please avoid these for unapproved usages. And also, if you or your child is more prone to signs and symptoms of serious side effects, like which you have discussed earlier, then please consider alternative medicinal products. So always keep in mind the benefit risk balance matters, whether the benefit is more than the risk of using the medicine or not. So what are the key takeaways? So how do you avoid serious risk? Take the Montelukast tablets as per the instructions given by your doctor in the prescription. Be aware of the signs and symptoms of these side effects which we have discussed, and take immediate action if you observe any signs and symptoms immediately. Do not take Montelukast for a condition which is not prescribed. That means which is not as per approved indications. So that means don't use Montelukast for the purposes which are beyond allergic rhinitis symptoms or asthmatic symptoms. Do not take two doses at the same time. Sometimes if you or your child misses a dose of Montelukast, and if you would like to cover the missed dose at the same time, no, don't do that. The extra dose or the overdose may cause you prone to more serious side effects. So just skip that and take the next dose at the regular interval. Do not take Montelukast if you need right relief right away from a sudden asthma attack. So please be aware to differentiate that the Montelukast is helpful for treating the asthma symptoms like breathing difficulties, but not for the sudden asthmatic attack. Sudden asthmatic attack has to be treated in a separate way, not with the Montelukast tablets. Okay, so these are the most important information which enables you to prevent the serious side effects and to have the benefits of using the Montelukast medicine. Okay, okay, please keep this information and use the medicines in a safe and effective manner. Thank you.